Hello and welcome back to Swaggy Amma, and today we are back with another delicious recipe. From the Tamil Nadu cuisine, we'll be seeing how to prepare hotel style kuska or plain biryani using pressure cooker at home. To prepare this recipe, few of the ingredients that we require would be 2 cup of basmati rice, 3 to 4 green chili slit, 1 inch ginger finely chopped, 6 to 7 garlic pod finely chopped, 2 medium sized tomato roughly chopped, 3 medium sized onion roughly chopped, few coriander leaf, few mint leaf, whole spices such as 1 to 2 nutmeg, 2 bay leaf, 4 to 5 cloves, 4 to 5 cardamom pod, 2 to 3 cinnamon stick, 5 to 6 tablespoon of oil, 1/4 cup of butter, half teaspoon of coriander powder, 2 teaspoon of Kashmiri dry red chili powder, and finally 3 to 4 teaspoon of curd. Firstly, to begin with, take a mixing bowl and into that transfer the basmati rice. Later wash this well for minimum 3 to 4 times and soak the basmati rice for minimum 30 minutes before further use. Next, take a dry mixer or a grinder and into that transfer the whole spices. Now grind this into a fine powder. Once done, take another mixer jar and into that transfer the mint leaf, coriander leaf, ginger, garlic, green chili and grind this coarsely. Once all the preparation is done, take a pressure cooker and into that transfer the sunflower oil and butter. Once the butter has melted completely, lower the flame to medium and into this transfer the roughly chopped onion. Now saute and cook this in medium flame until the onions turn soft and translucent. Once the onions are well cooked, into this transfer the previously prepared ginger garlic and green chili paste and saute this and cook until the raw smell from the ginger garlic paste disappears. Now into this add the roughly chopped tomato and saute this and cook as well until the tomatoes turn soft and mushy. Once the tomatoes are half cooked, into this add salt as per taste and give everything a good mix. Now saute this and cook until the oil starts to separate from the sides of the masala. Once done, into this add the previously prepared whole spices powder, coriander powder, dry red chili powder and give everything a good mix. Now saute and cook this in medium to high flame until the masala is nicely reduced and is well cooked. Once done, into this add thick curd and give everything a good mix and saute and cook this for another 1 or 2 minutes in medium to high flame. Now our base masala is ready. If required, you can add little extra salt at this stage and later into this add the soaked basmati rice. Make sure to drain the excess water out of the basmati rice before adding it. Mix everything well and next into this add 3 cup of water, that is for 1 cup of rice I am adding 1.5 cup of water. Give everything a good mix once again and close this with a pressure cooker lid and allow this to pressure cook for 1 whistle in low to medium flame. Switch off the flame and allow the pressure to settle and later open the pressure cooker and now your delicious kuska is ready. Now gently give this a stir and make sure not to break the rice while doing this as the rice will be very tender at this stage. Now serve this hot along with some tair pachadi or ennai katrikai. The recipe of the ennai katrikai is there in the top right corner of your screen or in the description box. So do try these recipes and do let me know on how it was in the comment section. If you like this video, do not forget to give us a thumbs up and to share it along with your friends. Thank you for watching, and for more vegetarian recipes, do not forget to like, follow and subscribe to Swaggy Amma in Facebook, Instagram and YouTube.